Good work, Taz. Okay, you can stop. Stop there, guys. Nice, Fancy. Good riding. Oh, nice work, Curtis. You're such a big boy now. Sick, mate. Zeth, what do you think about it?
Good.
You like riding on mountain bike trails?
Yeah.
Super cool?
Yeah.
Taz, what do you think about it?
Good.
Are you having fun? Right on. You haven't had a crash, have you?
Me either.
No, nobody's had crashes. How about you, Spence? What do you think about it?
No, he had a crash on your bike though. It's fun.
It's fun. Okay.
He had a crash on your bike though.
That's right.
Dad, Lucy is stepping on your biking glove.
What? Let's get her.
Look how loose. Let's see. Bad girl. The doggies are in the way.
They don't really like or pay attention, do they? Lucy.